Hello, this is a quick tutorial on how to access some ukulele and guitar lessons we're going to be learning this semester. And so our first assignment is to come onto JamZone, littlekidsrock.org. Then you're going to come to, well, first of all, you can explore the whole website. But for this particular lesson, we're going to start with either guitar, ukulele, whichever one you're learning. You're going to come to take a lesson. If guitar, you come over here and click on that. If you're doing ukulele, come over here. We're going to click on that. And by the way, ukulele is actually pronounced ukulele in Hawaiian. And that's where it pretty much originated from. So you come to ukulele lessons, and then first assignment is to come to all about the ukulele. You click on that and you watch it. Okay. You scroll down a little bit so it fits the screen. First assignment, you're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you're a music major, you're going to go all the way through 7. So non-music majors go all the way through 5. Music majors go all the way through 7. Okay, that's it. We're going to sing in my integrating methods class. Integrating music class. We're going to do number 5 in class. And in my elementary vocal and instrumental methods class, we're going to do number 7 in class. Thank you.